Hi dear students, welcome to Mandawad Maths Academy. Today we are going to start the linear equation in two variable. So this is very important topic. What is equation? What is equation? Equation is nothing but the expression which involving equal to sign. What? The expression involving equal to sign. What is meant by expression? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. What is meant by algebraic expression? So that can be involving variables, variables, constants, and operations. The combination of variables, constants, and operations. So that is called as algebraic expressions. So what are the variables? Variables are generally denoted by x, y, z like that. Yes or no? Next, constants are numbers 2, 3. We can denote in the standard form. Small a, small b, small c are the constants. What are the operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So if we combine this, means combination of variables, constants and operations is called as algebraic expression. For example 2x plus 3y. What is 2 and 3 here? 2 and 3 are the constants, and xy are the variables. Xy are the variables. What is the symbol or the operation in between 2x? The 2x in between 2 and x having multiplication sign. You can remember here into and addition are the operations. How can I read is 2 into x plus 3 into y. So this is called as expression. So this expression involving equal to sign. Suppose I take this 2x plus 3y equal to 0. Or 0 we take any number. So this is called as equation. So when we call this equation is linear, this equation involving two variables. How many variables? In this the name of chapter is linear equation in two variables. Two variables is nothing but that equation involving two variable. This equation involving two variables, which are that x and y. What is the meaning of linear? Linear is nothing but the highest power of the variable is 1. What is the power of this variable? 1. And this variable 1. So therefore here degree of this variable, or you can write the power of variable. Degree of variable is 1. So that is called as linear equation in two variable. The standard form of, what is the standard form of linear equation? Standard form of linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So what is a? A is the constant, b is the constant, c is also constant. Or a is called as coefficient of x, b is called as coefficient of y, and c is the constant. In this, how many variables are there? X and y are the variables. The power of variable is 1, so therefore it is linear. In this, a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Then this equation is called as linear equation in two variable. So once again I repeating this. What is equation? Equation is nothing but the algebraic expression which involving equal to sign. What is algebraic expression? That having variables, constants and operations. Variables are x, y, z. Constants are the numbers a, b, c, or the 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, this 2x plus 3y, 2, 3 are the constant, x, y are the variables, and plus and into are the operations. If the expression or the equation involving two variables and the highest power or the maximum power of the variable is 1, so that is called as linear equation. If this equation having two variables, that equation is called as linear equation in two variable. Okay, what is the standard form of linear equation in two variable? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You can check this A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0. Suppose for example 0x plus 2y equal to 3. Is it linear equation in two variable? No, because the 0x is nothing but this vanishes, means this becomes 0. Means what we get, 0 plus 2y equal to 3. So this implies that 2y equal to 3. So is it equation? Yes, it is equation, but it is not linear equation in two variable. It is only linear equation in one variable only. So it has only one variable y. Therefore, this is not linear equation in two variable. Next example, suppose 2x square plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Is it linear equation in two variable? No. It has two variables x and y. But what is the degree of this x? 2. And degree of this y is 1. Degree of this 6 is 0. Means there is no variable, the power is 0. So here highest power is 2. So therefore this is not linear equation. What is this equation? This equation is called as quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is nothing but the highest power of variable is 2. So that is quadratic equation. So this is not linear equation. So we need to check if the given equation is linear or not. Coefficient of x and coefficient of y are not equal to 0 and the highest power of variable is 1. So this is a very important condition. So you can remember standard form of the linear equation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. So next simultaneous equations. What is meant by simultaneous equation? Suppose we think about the two equations at the same time. These are the two equations given. If we think these two equations at the same time, so that equations are called as simultaneous equations. What we think means find the value of x and y such a way that it satisfies these two equations. So that equations are called as simultaneous equations. So what is the solution of given equations? So you can find there are three methods. So first one, elimination method. What? Elimination method. Elimination method to find the solution of two simultaneous equations. Second method, substitution method. Substitution method. And third one, Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. So these are the required three methods to solve the linear equation in two variables at the same time. Means two equations are given, so you can find the solution of these two equations by using elimination method, substitution method and Cramer's rule. So in this for 9th class we have two methods, elimination method and substitution method. So first we solve these equations by elimination method. First one, elimination method. Elimination method. By using elimination method, you can solve these two equations. First, you can write these two equations: x plus 5 equal to 14, x minus y equal to 2. So first, to make the coefficient of x, y are the same. What is the coefficient of 1 in the first equation? 1 and y 1. This is the constant 14. Okay. Next, coefficients of in second equation 1. Here minus 1, here 2. Elimination means you can eliminate either x or y by using addition and subtraction of the given equation. Suppose I can do here addition. What is cancel this plus 1 minus 1 can cancel. What is remaining? X plus x means 1 plus 1, here 2x. 14 plus 2, 16. So we get the value of x, y is eliminated. Yes or no? If we do here addition, plus 1 minus 1 can cancel. Suppose I can do here subtraction. What we get? Here minus plus minus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. You can consider this sign. 1 plus 1, 2. 14 minus 1, here 12. So first step is, so you can make the coefficient of either x or y are the same, means 1 1. Here 1 minus 1. So in this equation we have given already the coefficients are same. So we can apply the operation. Suppose I will give here equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Adding this equation 1 and 2. You can do here subtraction also. Equation 1 and equation 2 we get. So what we get here, x plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 2. Add these two, minus y plus y cancel, x plus x 2x equal to here 16. What about x? X equal to 16 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, sorry 2 eights are, means x equal to 8. We get the value of x and you can find easily value of y by substituting this value of x in equation number 1 or 2. You can substitute this x equal to 8 in equation 1 or 2 as your wish. Suppose I consider put x equal to 8 in equation 2 or 1 we get. What is equation 1? X plus y equal to 14. What is the value of x? 8. 8 plus y equal to 14, means y equal to 14 minus 8. Y equal to, what is the answer? For verification, you can substitute the value of x and y in this equation. What is first equation? X plus y equal to 14, means 8 plus 6 equal to 8 plus 6 equal to 14. Is it satisfy first equation? Yes. Second equation, x 8 minus 6. What is answer? 2. Second equation also satisfied. Means the value of x and y which satisfy this both equations at the same time. Okay. Now second method, substitution method. Second method, this is the first method, elimination method. Second method, substitution method. Substitution method. Substitution means we can find out the value of x or y in terms of x in terms of y or y in terms of x, then you can substitute in the another equation. Suppose let I consider x plus y equal to 14 is first equation and x minus y equal to 2 is second equation. So what is the value of y in this? Value of y is 14. This x become this side, what we get? Minus. Now we can substitute this y equal to 14 minus x, equation number 1, this is equation number 2. You can write here, put y equal to 14 minus x in equation 2 we get. What is equation 2? X minus y equal to 2. Substitute here the value of x equal to, sorry, minus y 14 minus x equal to 2. Here x minus 14 minus plus x equal to 2, means x plus x 2x minus 14 equal to 2, means 2x equal to 2 plus 14. What about x? X equal to 16 divided by 2, means x equal to 8. You can substitute this x equal to 8, put x equal to 8 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is y equal to 14 minus x. Y equal to 14 minus 8, means y equal to 14 minus 8. What is 14 minus 8? 6. Okay. So once again I repeating this linear equations. If we have given two linear equations, we think about these two linear equations at the same time. So that equations are called as simultaneous equations. There are three methods you can solve these linear equations. First one, elimination method, second, substitution method, and third one is Cramer's rule. So we have two methods, linear method, elimination method and substitution method. Elimination means you can eliminate either x or y. Suppose I want to eliminate here y, so you can do addition, x plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 2, means 2x equal to 16, x equal to 8. Substitute this x equal to 8 either in equation 1 or 2. I substitute in this equation number 1. X plus y equal to 14, means 8 plus y equal to 14, y equal to 14 minus 8 equal to 6. This is the value of y. Substitution method means you can find the value of x, substitute in another equation, or to find the value of y, substitute in another equation. Suppose I want to find here the value of y equal to 14 minus x, equation number 1, this substitute in equation number 2. What we get? What is equation number 2? X minus y equal to 2. Substitute here the value of y, 14 minus x. It's minus plus minus 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 plus. X plus x, 2x. Minus 14 becomes plus 14. 2 plus 14 is 16, divided by 2 is nothing but x equal to 8. X equal to 8, this can be substituted in equation number 1. 14 minus x means 14 minus 8 equal to 6. So these are the required solutions of the x and y which satisfy these two given equations. Okay.